So I'm a huge like an SRK fan, right? और मैं I've studied him like as if he was my college subject. Okay, I don't know why, and it's not that कि मुझे कभी मुझे एक्टर बनना भी नहीं था ना कभी बनना है कोई ऐसा नहीं, but it's just like
he transcends the profession. He transcends. He's a true personality.
True, and like there's probably every book उनके ऊपर जो लिखी होती है I must have read it. Okay, so I want to ask you because आपका first gig was कल होना हो.
Yeah,
right.
मैं कल ही उनसे मिला.
Okay,
we were at an event together. Yeah, but my first
क्या what makes Shah Rukh Khan special? क्यों वो इतने आज भी people come and go, actors come and go, नए लोग भी आ रहे हैं, and he's still the king of Bollywood, and he still rules hard. And you know the most fascinating thing is हमने जितनी बातें करी ना, मैं देख रहा था उनके बहुत सारी पुरानी क्लिप्स, बहुत बार है जहाँ पे उन्होंने फकअप्स किए हैं, बहुत बार है जहाँ पे उन्होंने खुद को एम्बैरेस किया है, बहुत बार है जहाँ पे उन्होंने ऐसा किया है कि ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट? नथिंग हैज अफेक्टेड हिम. देयर हैव बीन फ्लॉप्स, देयर हैव बीन एवरीथिंग. ही हैज बीन एरोगेंट, ही हैज बीन रूड, ही हैज गॉन थ्रू हिज फेजेस अप्स एंड डाउन. और उसके बाद भी पीपल डोंट हेट हिम, पीपल लव हिम टू अनदर कोर. कुछ नहीं होता. इनफैक्ट जो उनके साथ में हेट मीम उनके बारे में डाल रहा होता है, नीचे कमेंट्स होते हैं उस मीम पेज के बारे में, भाई तू क्यों कर रहा है ये.
यार देखो, मैं सिर्फ अपने पर्सनल इक्वेशन से कह सकता हूँ. मैं जब असिस्टेंट भी था, आई वाज एनामर्ड बाय द वे ही इज. सम पीपल आर जस्ट टच्ड बाय गॉड, सम पीपल आर जस्ट पर्सनालिटीज दैट आर लार्जर देन लाइफ एंड ट्रांसेंड जनरेशंस. एक तो मुझे लगता है कि उनको जो दिमाग मिला है वो अद्भुत और विचित्र है.
मतलब क्या?
आई थिंक वो AI से भी आगे है. ही प्रोसेसेस, ही अंडरस्टैंड्स, he has human compassion and he has human understanding. He's meticulous at the same time. He's got all the time in the world to be laid back. जब वो आपके साथ बैठते हैं, आपके आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करेंगे, लेकिन at the same time उनकी अवेयरनेस स्किल इतनी है, उनको पता है कि बाकी 10 चीज़ें क्या हो रही हैं. ये मैं सोशल सेटिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, ना कि पार्टी की, बट इवन एट अ सेट वो आपको इज्जत भी दें. उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग अमेजिंग है मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं. He has also suffered a lot of trauma by losing his parents and emerged out of understanding and has emotional empathy. He's somebody who's always, I think, been wanting to be more and more knowledgeable. He reads a lot. When he speaks, it comes from a place of learning. So I think he's not only in that 1%, but in that 10%. I think he's the 0.01% that is both. He's well-rounded enough that he's always wanting to acquire. जैसे वो अब पैडल की बात हो रही थी, तो वो उस दिन पैडल की बात मैं वो खेलना चालू करना चाहता. So he's hungry. There is a quest to be bigger, better, broaden his horizons. I think he's just a special human being in that sense. When he operates, I think he's already at a higher playing field at an operational level here. Whether that's come from experiences or whether that's come from the gift that he's been given, I think he's made the most of that. He's a genius. मैं आज भी उनको मैसेज करूं, उनका रिप्लाई आएगा.
No matter how busy he is.
No matter how busy, he will make sure he replies. When I meet him, yesterday I got a hug from him. It is not there is a certain personal warmth that man gives you. He's accessible to you, but at the same time, he's Shah Rukh Khan because you look at him that way, but he will never ever make you feel that way. पता नहीं यार, बहुत विचित्र experience है उनके आसपास रहना. There's an aura to him. I don't know if he's spiritual or religious, but there is an aura around him. I don't know. I cannot explain why he's like that. I think he's inexplainable. And that's the whole charm here. I just feel he's timeless. He's larger than life. He's everything here. But every time I've met him and spoken to him, it's left an impact on me. And that is how amazing. Even if we've hung out in a social gathering, in a party or his house, if there is something, he connects with you, which is a bizarre, like I know मैं लोगों को मिलता हूँ और मैं engage नहीं कर पाता उतना. एक पॉइंट के बाद आप हाय हेलो बोल के आगे बढ़ जाते हो. वो आपके अंदर झांक के आपसे बात कर लेते हैं और आप पे इम्पैक्ट छोड़ जाते हैं. और बहुत he's somebody who feels. So when he expresses, there is a certain amount of genuine feeling that you feel. अब now I would like to believe I have experienced that and a lot of others have. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने सिर्फ अपने लिए देखा है, मैंने हर जगह देखा है. और टैलेंट की बात करें, एज एन ऑन स्क्रीन बात करें यार, तो he's somebody who's, I mean, today he's in a different phase with Pathaan and Jawan in this action, entertaining, larger than life persona. But I think he was that everyday Joe that made people believe in dreams, because Raju ban gaya gentleman, yes boss, kabhi ha kabhi na. I think he's been the common man who's stood up and kind of reached. Then he became this aspirational lover boy that made us believe in romance. So he was the guy from outside who showed you that you can conquer the world by saying मैं मन्नत लूंगा एक दिन and खरीद ली. तो he's कभी हा कभी ना के भी है, और वो कुछ होता के भी है. So he's actually been the common man's connect with the emotionality and the ecosystem at the same time in the 90s. And for us as young kids who didn't believe that we were the best, perhaps, he sang I'm the best. And he had a certain persona and confidence. It doesn't matter. He had the energy. He had the slight arrogance that you need. I think you need arrogance when you look at the overachievers or the achievers. You need to have an arrogance about yourself, and you need to believe doubly in yourself when nobody else does. I think when you see a Virat Kohli, the swag that we call, aaj ek word is swag. Actually, Shah Rukh Khan sir, Virat Kohli, the arrogance allows you to deliver, because you know that you are above. In a certain sense, you know you have it in you. But if you undermine yourself, the people will take that chance to undermine you more. So I just find him a very interesting. He's a person you can, like you said, study, learn, understand. Have you ever interacted with him?
No, not yet. Unfortunately. I really want to do it once.
He's genuinely an amazing person. And I can tell you, whenever you do interact with him, you will, जो तूने पढ़ा है, जो तूने सुना है, जो तूने देखा है, तेरा एक्सपीरियंस उससे बढ़कर ही होगा उनके साथ. He's an enigma. And yet relatable. That's what he is.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.